Hey, welcome to the new Power BI tutorial. In this video, you will see how to change data type in Power BI. So, if I expand some table here, for example, let's use customers, I will be able to see some icons next to my column name. For example, we have this sum icon next to annual income, also for customer ID and total children. Basically, this means that this is numeric value. But how do we know that and how to change that? To do that, we will need to go to transform data and we will be taken to Power Query Editor. Here in Power Query Editor, we are able to change our data types. Now let's open customers table. And then let's check data types for each of these columns. For example, in this first column, customer ID, we can check 1, 2, 3 here. Basically, this means that this is numeric value. So we can find it here. It's whole number. We also have decimal number, fixed decimal number, and percentage. We can also make this text value. So if I click on text, for example, now this will be text value. Instead of 1, 2, 3, we will be able to see ABC. So if we check here, it's our text value, ABC. Great. Now if we want to revert that change, we can click again on whole number, or we can remove this step here. Excellent. Now let's check this first name column. If I click on this, if I try to change that to number, let's click on number. Let's click on replace current, and basically I will get errors because that is not numeric value and we cannot convert that to number. So let's go back to text. And again we will have our values. So for you it's important to know that to be able to convert something to numerical value, it has to be number. As you can see, we also have this birth date column. It's actually date, but in this case, if you check this icon here, it's text value. If we click on date, we will be able to change that to date type. But as you can see, we have some errors here. Now let's revert that back to text. And let's see what is the issue with that. In this case, we have month and day switched. So to be able to apply that format, we would need to switch day and month. But for now, we will skip that and we will be working on that later on in the course. Okay, let's now check this annual income. As you can see, we have only numbers in that column, but here it's ABC, which means text. So let's convert that to whole number. And basically now we have whole number here, also for total children. And basically it's converted to number. Everything else is text, and basically we don't need to change anything else. So let me check one more time. Basically you have numbers, so decimal number, whole number, percentage. You also have dates, date time, duration, text. You also have Boolean value, true or false, binary, and this last option. But most of the time you will be using numbers, dates, and text. That's the most important. Occasionally you may use also true or false, basically Boolean values. Let's now click on close and apply. And with this, I'm gonna conclude this video. Thank you for watching.